Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is Vlogtober 3 for me. And if you've been watching me from my Sam's haul, the first one I did where I was breaking down all my meats. The second one you may have saw yesterday when I was prepping the Black Forest ham. And I told you I was going to be doing breakfast for y'all. Here is the ham. So I got to move quickly because I already started this lovely steam, and that is for my grits. So just got back from the grocery store again. These are the grits. Just got back in. Now I've already salted my water. Alright, I'm back. So I got my grits cooking on low, and I usually take a spoon, and you see that I got a couple lumps, so I just go through and grab all those out. You know, you can't cook your grits fast, y'all. You gotta, nobody likes lumpy grits, okay? And in this house, I will be told about the grits if they are lumpy. Trust me, my husband ain't playing about no lumpy grits. So that is low. That's on low. So we're gonna move over to here. So this is my breakfast. Hot ham, egg and cheese on a biscuit. And here is my cheese grits. Bon appetit. I will see y'all in another Vlogtober video. Let me know your thoughts. I'm sorry the video is long. Y'all have a blessed day. And always remember, if it ain't cheap, Kel ain't buying it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.